Bienvenue, welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can see by the title, I am doing some plantain waffles. So for this recipe, we're going to be using cinnamon and nutmeg, sugar, I have some milk here, flour, all-purpose flour, salt and baking powder, some vanilla extract, and of course our ripe plantains. Now this ripe plantain is when the skin is really dark, that's the type of plantain that you use for this recipe. So first I am going to blend everything together and then we're gonna start doing our waffles. So I will be right back with the batter. So now we're gonna start making the waffles. I have my spray that I'll be using. Okay. And here is my batter. You can see the consistency, the thickness of it. And I'm going in with half a cup. Close. Ooh, looking good. You guys see how good it looks? Oh my gosh. I'm going to continue to put them in and I'll show you guys how it all looks in the end. Okay guys, so I have both a sweet option, which is with the fruits, and I have my plantains and I have honey drizzled all over them. Or I have the savory option, which is saltfish. You can see the tomatoes and avocado in here. Thank you guys so much for watching. And for those who want to know what I did, I just cut it in quarters because it's in a circle and you can cut it in four. It already has the lines right there. I am going to place a link to the waffle maker if it's still available on Amazon. And thanks again for watching. If you have not subscribed as yet and you like my content, please do. And remember to continue to have a good day on purpose. See you guys in my next video. Bye.